tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa bàbá tí ti sọ̀rọ̀ o gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ní bàbá tí ó ti sọ báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí kí ẹ lè gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá tí ó sọ ó ti yá o.
Lande sleeping with his wife and having an affair with her. I've never met Lande's wife all my life, never spoken together. I don't even know what she looks like. Not until mid last year when Mary Gold called me that she's coming to have a business discussion with me in regards of MC job because I'm a stand-up comedian as well. Hello, Babati. I'm somewhere in your estate. Sorry, can I come see you around in regards of the launching of my movie? And I said, okay, you can. And Mary Gold actually came. Surprisingly to me, she badged me with a total stranger that I do not know. And I said, why do you have to come to my house bringing a stranger without my consent? This is not done. I don't welcome strangers in my house. And Mary Gold said, that girl is a content creator and upcoming artist. Her name is Dara. That was how she introduced the girl to me. And they came in, Mary Gold. She demanded for drinks and food. And I said, you can actually sit in my kitchen because my kitchen has a dining. And they were preparing food. All of a sudden, Mary Gold insisted that she wanted to do truth or dare. I am not an alcoholic person. Why truth or dare? Do you want to get me drunk? What are you doing? She insisted. I said, you can be doing instead. I have to be involved. I said, well, if you want to do your truth or dare, where I can actually pay myself out with money. And the truth or dare was going. She was doing the truth or dare within Dara, the content creator, myself, and Mary Gold. A short while, I went out to check something in the car. And I was coming back to my apartment. I overheard Mary Go saying, I wouldn't know what they were saying. I barged in my apartment. Kini Babati mo? I want to know. Tell me what Babati. It took me a while before she could confess to me. And Mary Go told me that she's Lande's wife. I was like, wow, she's Lande's wife? Why can't you introduce her to me as Lande's wife? Why introducing her to me as Dara, the content creator? And she said she wouldn't want me to know that she's Lande's wife, and she and the Dara too doesn't want me to know that she's the Lande's wife. I said, what's my own business? You can't bring a junior colleague's wife to my apartment. It is not done anywhere. And she said the reason why they are not trying to let me know is because they know that I'm close to Kemiti. And Kemiti will tell Ijesha. Ijesha will give it to the... I said, there's nothing is hidden. If you know you do not tell your husband where you're going to, or probably you guys are working, going to where you do not inform anybody. It's not you bringing a junior colleague's wife to my apartment without my knowledge, blindfolding me. About 5 months, she called me that, I was like, what to say? She be connection, kata, I just cut her off. I knew something was not right. So the next thing I saw was Lande coming on my timeline. Each time I post my nugget, he comments bad, all those. I thought it was a joke. I deleted most of the messages. And he kept on disturbing my timeline, and I blocked him. I don't know Lande. I've never seen Lande before than once in my life. I was like, okay, let me investigate this matter properly because I don't want to cross carpet. The only person I can actually inform about this whole scenario is Kemiti. Luckily for me, when I got to location, I met Kemiti. I've not even tendered the issue. Kemiti actually confronted me that she ain't fair Yawolande, she ain't date Yawolande, money what Yawolande how, and I explained what happened. I don't know Yawolande from anywhere. It was the same Mary Gold that blindfolded me and brought a stranger to me. It was the same Mary Gold that masterminded truth or dare. So I was shocked. I knew something is going on. And the next thing I told committee, yes, I was there too. I told them, maybe they thought I'm trying to frame up what does not happen. And the next, I found Lande coming in. Babati, block block I was like, is this chase clouting? Industry. I was shocked. 10 man left for industry. I only saw Lande once in my life, and that was like 5 years ago, trying to set me up to assassinate my character. And from there, everybody start coming. Dobo, they knock, they do all this. Is the different things that I can't even imagine on my timeline. Different things that never happened. Assassinating my character, both left and right on social media. I was shocked. And I'm coming out to say I did not sleep with Lande's wife. I don't know Lande's wife. That was what happened. Putting this to you, Lande, I need all the evidence levied against me, or else I am going to take this up legally. I'm sure we have a lot of